Welcome to the Economics. Let's look at how to use index and match function in Microsoft Excel. Index plus match combination is a powerful alternative to VLOOKUP, offering more flexibility. It allows you to look up value anywhere in a table, left, right, above or below. Purpose of index function is to return the value from a specified row and column within a range. Syntax for index function is equal index open bracket data range or array, then row number and the column number. Then let's look at match function. Purpose of match function is finding the position of a value in a row or column. Syntax for match function is equal match open bracket lookup value is the value you want to find in the lookup table, lookup array the data range in the lookup table, and match type is 0 for exact match, 1 is for less than, and -1 is for greater than. Now let's look at how to use index and match together. You use match to identify the row or column and then index for return the value from that position. This is the syntax. Index open bracket data range or array comma then start match function open bracket lookup value in the lookup table lookup array then match type. Here also match type 0 for exact match, 1 is for less than, and -1 is for greater than. Now let's look at how to use index and match function in a practical example. Here table 1, column C you have student number, column D you have marks. You have data from rows number 35 to 40. Table 2 you have in column F you have student number, column G you have class, and column H you have marks. You need to get marks for column H in table 2 from column D from table 1. The formula here index, you open the bracket, then you get data from table 1 column D, give the data range here D35 to D40 comma then open match function open bracket your lookup value is F35 comma lookup array is C35 to C40 this range and comma put 0 for exact match and then close the bracket. Now here you will get answer 50 exactly similar to the student number 1010 in table 1 and student number 1010 in table 2 are same. You can access more lessons and worksheets from Economics website. Please visit our site and get more lessons on advanced Excel. Thank you.